So the question says that the first random experiments are, the statement first is, experiments which when repeated under the same conditions result in the same outcome always. Statement second, experiments whose outcome can be different when repeated. The statement 3 says that experiments whose possible outcomes are not known, and the fourth statement says experiments all of those whose possible outcomes are known. So that is very a tricky question, but we have a solution, so we can um, do. The correct statements are which are one of these. So we have given four options, so let's look at the solution. The solution says that the statement 1 is incorrect. Why? Because the outcome of a random experiment can vary even when it is repeated under the same conditions. So you can understand this thing. For example, if you toss a coin, there is a 50% chance of getting heads and a 50% chance of getting tails. So this is a very common thing. And if you toss the coin 10 times in a row, there is no guarantee that you will get heads and tails 5 times each. So this statement 1 is incorrect. The statement second, which is correct. So this is the definition of a random experiment, which is you will learn in this uh, topic. A random experiment is an experiment whose outcome cannot be predicted with certainty. It can be repeated many times under the same conditions, but the outcome may vary. Okay, and the statement 3 is again incorrect because the possible outcomes of a random experiments are known. Like we have an example. For example, if you toss a coin, the possible outcomes are heads or tails. If you roll a die, the possible outcomes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6. That's very clear. And the statement 4 is also correct. So the possible outcomes of a random experiments are known, but the specific outcome of any given trial cannot be predicted. So therefore, the only statements are second and the fourth. So the option means your answer C, which is only second, and the fourth option is correct, which is this one. Option C is correct. So this one is your correct answer. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you subscribe this channel.